How to add debit card to Uber Eats. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel How to Use Basics. Today on this tutorial video, I will show you guys how you can add debit card to Uber Eats. It is a quite easy and simple process, so let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, start by opening Uber Eats application on your device. Once you are here on this interface, now click on that bottom right corner which says account. From the three different options, click on that second option, wallet. Now again click on add a payment method option. Now here you will see different options, from which click on the last one that says credit or debit card. Now all you can do is enter all of the card details from the debit card like card number, expiry date, CVV number, country, zip code and nickname, which is optional. After filling all of the information, simply click on save option and you are good to go. In this very easy and simple process, you can add debit card to Uber Eats. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.